Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry, that generation from year 2012 to year 2014. If you guys need to find where the TPMS fuse is located, guys, TPMS light, that's tire pressure monitor system, stay with us. We'll explain which 3 fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump, guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump, guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of, guys, spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of, guys, wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers, guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have, guys, some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So now for the TPMS system, guys, you will have up to 3 fuses. We're going to demonstrate here, guys, okay, on a 2013 Toyota Camry right here. You have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll be working in both of them. And the first fuse box, it's under the hood right here. So if you open the hood, that's your main engine management fuse box. Open that cover here and you will see that fuse box layout right there. This is towards the right there now, that's towards the windshield side, that's towards the front of the Toyota Camry. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that you need to check in that fuse box is just one. Then we need to go to a different fuse box, and we're talking about fuse number 37 right here. That's the fuse that you will need to check for the TPMS. The next fuse box is located on the inside of your Toyota Camry, and we're talking on the driver's side under the dash on the left corner. If you look upside down, you will see a fuse box, and once you open that cover, you will see that fuse box layout right there. Now here you will need to check 2 fuses specifically, guys, not 1, 2 fuses. So which one we need to check now? We're going to start with fuse number 1, which is that 10M fuse that you need to check for the TPMS right here, and then you will need to check fuse number 20. So if you come right here, that's fuse number 23, 2, 1, fuse number 20 right here. That 10M fuse is the one that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.